Okay, we're outside back of Freeman Auto here. We're gonna do a engine bay video for this M5, as well as a couple of quick revs. So here's your engine bay, your S63 bi-turbo V8. Sounds amazing, just purring right along. We're gonna get a couple of revs here in a moment. I'll be quiet for about 10 seconds, let you listen to this. All right, so there's that. Just give me just a partial rev and hold it. So there's a little bit of RPMs. All right, now we're gonna catch the exhaust. Beautiful, nice and deep, not a whole bunch of pops and bangs, very classy but also very high performance sounding. Shout out to Blake, best porter in the biz. Thanks for watching.